The Department of Homeland Security has turned down a Freedom of Information Act request to reveal details of Prince Harry's U.S. visa application for the second time. The U.S. government has refused to reveal details of Prince Harry's visa application, citing his right to privacy. This comes after the Department of Homeland Security already refused to reveal the information despite a furor over his drug use, as visa applications can be rejected if an applicant admits to having taken drugs. The first refusal stated that even though the 38-year-old is a public figure, that does not mean he would forfeit all rights to privacy. In his tell-all memoir Spare, which was released back in January, Prince Harry admitted to taking marijuana, cocaine and psychedelic mushrooms. Under U.S. law, foreigners who admit to taking drugs and wish to enter, or move to, the United States may face several challenges when doing so. Applications can be denied over drug taking, though it is not a hard and fast rule. In June, lawyers for the Heritage Foundation went to court over the refusal. They wanted to force the Department of Homeland Security to process a response to their Freedom of Information Act request regarding Prince Harry. Judge Carl Nichols refused to issue an injunction and told U.S. officials to respond to the conservative think tank. A letter was then shared by the group's lead attorney Samuel Dewey from the DHS senior director Jimmy Wolfrey. This letter stated that he refused to confirm or deny that they had the Duke of Sussex papers on file. Following this decision, the Heritage Foundation's Niall Gardner sent out an angry statement online. He said the argument had no sense, but is not surprising coming from the zero-transparency Biden administration. He added that the Department of Homeland Security's efforts to stonewall the Heritage Foundation's Freedom of Information request are unacceptable, and we will be contesting their position. Since stepping down as senior royals in 2020, Harry and Meghan Markle have settled into life in the U.S., positioning themselves as public figures in America. The couple resides in California with their two young children, 4-year-old Archie and 2-year-old Lilibet. Express.co.uk have contacted Prince Harry/Archie for a comment.